If you are seeing error that this site can't be reached, then in this video I'll tell you a method by which you can fix this issue. First of all, you have to make sure that the internet is working fine. Open the website on any other device or mobile phone so that you can make sure your Wi-Fi is working fine. Once you are confident enough that your internet is working fine but the website is not reaching, then open your Google Chrome browser like this, then tap on three dots, then scroll down and go to settings, and at the left hand side click on reset settings like this, then click on restore settings to original default, then click on reset settings, and after that your issue will most likely be fixed. However, if the issue still remains, then open the website on another browser. You can use Microsoft Edge or any another browser to check if website is working fine. If it is not working on either browser, then go to search bar like this and type time and date, and from here go to date and time settings, and from here make sure that the time and date is accurate. If it is not accurate, then make sure to change the time and date accordingly. After that, navigate to your Google Chrome browser once again and open the website. However, if the issue still remains, then go to search bar and go to settings like this, and at the left hand side you can see network and internet. Go there and go to advanced network settings like this. After that, click on network reset, then click on reset now. After that, the issue will most likely be fixed. However, if the issue still remains, then it will most likely be from the router side. So that's how you can fix site can't be reached on Google Chrome. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.